On the left hand side, you'll see a section called deploy. Okay, under the click on mobile. So for you, you won't see anything. Here I've already created a couple of applications. So this is how you will deploy a mobile app. Okay, this is how you generate the IP and APK formats of the mobile apps. So how you'll do is click on create new. There are two options: mobile app and SDK. Okay. So on mobile app, if you choose this, you need not follow. Just observe what I'm telling. You need not do it yourselves. Okay. So click on create new and application. Choose your application. Choose the application for which you want to deploy the mobile app. So here it will say application type user or portal. Choose user. You can choose iOS or Android. And once you click on next, it will ask you for these informations. So if you have a code signed app, if you have code signing done for Android, you can apply those parameters here, and then the application IPA will be generated. So once the IPA is generated, you can deploy them to your organization's mobile device users. Okay. The same way you can do it for Android also. So click on create new and choose application as KD application, and portal. Portal is another type. Platform. Platform is Android. Click on next, and if you have Android code signing done, you can add those values here in this menu, and your APK will be generated. So once you have your APK, you can share your APK with your mobile users so that they can access the application from the mobile. So you need not program separately to develop the mobile app. So here we already have a code signed app. This is how it will appear like. Okay. After code signing has been done, app name, push notification, app metrics, bundle identifier. So share the app installation link with users. Okay. So this is where you just share them via email. So this is how you deploy mobile apps on Creator. This is just an overview of how you can do it. Let's see. Yeah. So this is mobile, and we also have on the left side, we'll talk about portals. So let's say, for example, you have a vendor who wants to supply you with the goodies for your event. Okay, so they can log in using the portal, and if you have a form that displays which what quantity of products is required, they can view the report alone, and they can supply you with a number of goodies required. So for that, you can create a portal. Okay, so click on portal, and you can click on create new portal, and this is how you create a portal. You can use your own domain, default domain, and you can have a custom domain also. So there are three types of portals: public, private, and restricted. And public portals is anyone can access the portal. Private portal is you invite your users via email. They accept the invitation link and they join. Private restricted is only those who you approve manually will be able to access the portal. So these are all the options that are available for portals. You can create a portal, and once you create a portal, you can add your own fav icon for that portal, and you can also add so that will be displayed on your browser tabs. So once you have that portal, you can invite people. So this is how a create a portal will look like. Add portal users. Okay. You can import the list of users. You can invite them via email, and they have permission sets. Okay. They have, for example, a customer can view and read records. Say for example. So that is the permission set. You can create new permission sets by going to the settings section in your application. Okay. This one. So this is how you create portals. Portals are a widely used feature. They're in demand. So because instead of creating users separately, purchasing license for separate users, you can have a portal users, and you can purchase licenses that are cheaper, and you can have people that use the portal feature that way. So this sums of mobile and portal, how to do mobile and portals, and that concludes that section. Next, Helena will be explaining to you about uh, the next topic. Yeah.
Okay, can you recap this part? Whatever we learned today in this picture. Okay, can someone just tell, not on high level, what were the topics that we covered today? What did we start with? Then gave you the basics and then learn advanced, and then after that, workflows. So then use workflows. After that, building functions. You were building functions and you were trying to execute small functions there. After that, next. Yeah. You then saw very fast how you can deploy applications and data Android, iOS, mobile app, and then this. Here, see, you would have tried few things along with us. In some parts, you have some somewhere, but whatever covered in the past place, it's very clearly, it's there. So you can just go see, check all the forms first. Because when I interviewed a lot of you here, there were a lot of fields that were missing and the names that were different, and instead of a number field, it would be a currency field. So just go and check all the forms, see if you have used the right field, right name it properly, and then go and first forms, then you check your reports, and then do your workflows and see if it's all working. So you all have WhatsApp, right? So individually you have groups, and then you have contacts, and sometimes you get your messages every day. Someone message or something. But when you put some status, you will set information, right? Like only three people should see, or you do all of that at the settings level. So that is the last thing that's left here. So you have information, but now you can add user and you can set user information. What that user should be able to do. And based on the type, there are two users. One user will be able to use the application, the other user will be able to is a developer, so that user alone will be given the edit option for the application. So that is something here managed. You can see yourself, here work application. Like you will be able to add users and who is having the overall control. Like the full control is the super and computer. Clear? Yes. It comes to the end of the session. So this uh, and after users clear rate, you'll be able to add users. At organization level, you'll be able to add all the things, some planning, digital assets, whatever you have related to that, you can upload it here. And we have something on document setting. So if you want to, so in our application, if you want to enable some authentication process or based on region, if you want to enter some policy there. So all that authenticated privacy related things can be taken here through this model. You can create some things here. So operation is something that you can have at an application level, BI analytics, you had forms, right? A simple application. And then you had something on reports and along with it, workflow. Then there's something that integration available. So there are two things, like a basic application with workflow, and an application that has a lot of integrations, which means there's a flow. So three solutions are available at each of this solution level, you can enable some operations like to keep track of all your logs, to back up the data, and to also there are a lot of things you can go through in detail in your guide. Even if you want to enable CR, say initially when Rakesh sir initially when he showed how to build an app with CR, remember, you came and vector. There, that portion, there was an option to ask ZIA for use cases. Similarly, in your application, somewhere you want to have the support of ZIA, you can include that as well. So where you go and enable, say you have other management, but if someone is using the app and they need some assistance, that can be given by an AI. Then to engage it here is very helpful. And who will be able to do all of these operations and until and super only will be able to do this. Not everyone will be able to do this one way. And the key part here will give you all the price details. How many users have purchased this application and which plan you are under. All such billing level and price level details will be here. Clear? So it is just managing and configuring security files related and function level settings will be here in this section. Clear? So, you want to touch upon that area? Post this board. Just you should. So yeah, as a regarding the application, the small project that we did for the last 2 days, you can refer the guide. But if you want to know more in detail about the project and you want to explore more, and anytime if there's a doubt, you can go to this knowledge base where everything will be explained very clearly. Okay, you can if you want, you can note down this one somewhere. Okay. This is a knowledge base where you can search whatever you want to and maybe you can just take a photo. Okay. One last thing before we wrap the session. So we have we really enjoyed and working along with you doing the app. Hope you also were very you found it very useful. So if there's anything that you want to improve or any feedback that you have for us, please take 2 minutes to fill this form. You can scan the QR code and give us your feedback.